This is OneNote software for notes purpose. Notes purpose. Here I want to one can use it. Right. This is file, home, insert, draw, history, review. These are the main tabs of this OneNote software. So if you first of all, I'm clicking here on file, and you will see that this kind of window opens. Actually, to activate this software you have to sign in through the Microsoft account, and using the Hotmail ID or Outlook ID you can sign in. Notebook open from OneDrive, you can open it from the OneDrive from PC, and you can add other places also. Export, you can export it the page in this format. Right now I have clicked on the OneNote Word document in docs, and here in doc, PDF, XPS, single file, web page, as you like. Section, again the same format, notebook in this, right? So you can send all the file, current page, email, send as attachment, send as PDF. These are options available. The second tab is of the home, in which you can see if you have copy anything you can paste here, right? And if you have to write anything, for that this font is available, font size available, similar as in Word, right? Insert, you can insert the picture, insert the spreadsheet, whatever you want to insert in this document you can add. This is similar to the Word, so you can write the mathematical equations also. You can use symbol from here if you have to write anywhere. So this is the symbol omega. If I have to write any other symbol, or then I will use that here. This is sigma, so if I have to write mathematical uh, symbols, then I can use it, or I myself can write with the help of this way. So these are the options here. You can record the audio, you can record the video, you can draw any picture by using these pens. So these are the main tool basically which one person use to make the notes. Here this is the eraser, and these are various thickness pen basically that you can see from here. The thickness of this 0.25 millimeter, 0.35, 0.5, 0.7, 1 millimeter. Right now I'm using this tip of the pen of 1 millimeter thickness, right? You can see here this, if I select it, and different color. So this is that purpose. This is eraser, small size, medium eraser, and larger size. Use that. If you want to erase that, you can erase in this way, so no problem at all. So by this way you can erase it. If you have to draw a picture, you can select that, you can select the circle, right? Whatever you have to use, so you can basically use these shapes from here. Graphs, if you have to draw two-dimensional by this way in 4, you can draw that thing. Insert this space, delete, you want to delete something, suppose you want to delete this one, by the lasso select, and now you can delete it, right? Arrange, you can arrange. So these are the main feature. And then after view one tab is more important. So what type of first I select the pen of 1 millimeter thickness, okay, and now I'm approaching to the view tab. Here you see that I have selected here the small boxes. I have selected it from the rule line, so you can see here this one. I have selected this one, you can select this one, right? Now size is different, this one, or it's you can select a line. It depends on you that what thickness you want to give. Then after the color of the page, I have selected right now this yellow one. You can select the pink one. So here the color is pink. Now you can see here there is a tab with plus sign, add page. So I have added number of pages here. I click it, so you can see that one page is added, and that have their own templates. So this is the standard template. You can find out template for your purpose, what the purpose is, for what purpose you are making these notes. Those notes are of science, maths, or history. This just clicked right now, and the latest one, and then after this one new. This is just blank. So now you can see in this template the title is given, formula, theorems covered today, what is the homework, lecture topic, summary, everything you can write here for note making. And there are actually various templates for different purposes, as I told you. So I am using here cross. So cross is appearing. These are helpful to making the pictures. By this way you can observe, right? So this is the OneNote software for the notes making, and I found it is interesting for all, not only for the students but for the teachers also. For watching this video, and if you have any question, you can message me. Inbox or in comment box below. Thanks once again.